Hi, today in this video I will show you how to download and install HP OfficeJet Pro 8023 printer driver on your computer. I am a step-to-step guide this video you how to download driver and install this printer driver on your computer. You watch this full video and follow the skin interaction. You simply install this printer driver. Please watch this full video and like and share. Thank you.